Okay, so first I want to say hello, and thanks Alex for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is just to give you some insight how to increase your value of your company or your exposure of your business online with Google. There's a couple factors that come into play: content, backlinks, and citation. Of course, now you understand every time you type something in here to Google, you're typing in keywords, and Google uses that to look for websites that best fit the search for what you're asking, for what you're typing in there. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords that are typed in there. And Google then categorizes the websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Below the maps here, this is all organic rank. You want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content in your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So, for example, I looked up Auto Repair Alexandria. You're right here, R&G. That's excellent. The map section here, citations come into play. That's anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. They use that to connect that with citations and your Google business profile to help you rank here on the maps. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, and that's how this rank structure here happens. Everything else below this is all, like I said, organic, aside from an advertisement. An advertisement. Sometimes you get a national AAA down in here. But what I wanted to show you was how to help yourself get more exposure and get seen up on the first page of Google. Most people don't search past the first page. They just look for what they want. If it's not here, they keep moving. So I took your website, and I have a tool of mine that I use called Ahrefs, and it tells me a little bit of information about what your website has. Now, like I said, backlinks, content, and citations. Backlink is where a website links to another website. It's from yours. It links. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement from another website to yours, and that helps build trust. And out of those backlinks, you pick up domains from there. So you're picking up 15 domains from these referencing backlinks. Again, I went over the citations. That's your maps. Now, keywords and keyword traffic, which is your content, plays a lot. So out of the 36 keywords that you're using here for your organic search, auto repair, you're getting about 30 views a month in traffic on that, and that's per month. So that's an idea of what we're working with here with you. On Yates Automotive, he's on the first page. Correct. Yes. Number two, I plugged him into the same tool. So just to give you an idea how this works, he's got 198 backlinks with 104 domains that he picked up from them referring backlinks. And he's using 650 keywords, and it's getting him almost 900 views a month. So he's getting a lot more traffic, a lot more exposure. Exposure is customers, potential customers, clients, revenue. So to give you an idea, I mean, obviously that should give you a pretty good idea right there. But we can see what kind of traffic his keywords are generating now, aside from the names. We got 500 views a month right here, just in car detailing. Factory scheduled maintenance, 80. Auto repair, 200. Auto repair, Alexandria, Virginia. Automotive, auto. So there's a lot of exposure here based on the keywords that are being used. It's generating a lot more traffic to go to his site. And then obviously that helps him rank at the top. So I'm hoping that this gives you a little bit of insight as to what's necessary to get on the first page, or maybe you weren't even aware of what it was taking. See, we need some better keywords over here. Auto repair, R&G. Yeah, so this really comes into content and keywords. And content's crucial. So with that being said, once all those things come together, Google starts to recognize who you are. You start to build credit. You start to become reliable, endorsed by others, and slowly start that ranking process to get you put on the first page. So I'm hoping this might give you a better understanding of how a well-built website can really bring a lot of value to your company. If you find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. I could see, maybe what's realistic for you and your business and your goals. And really, I just wanted to give you some insight. Um, I hope you appreciate what you saw. I hope it helps you out. I wanted to thank you for your time and have a great day.